Do you believe that ordinary teachers, nurses, or office workers are quietly retiring in their 30s or 40s? While the world still believes you must be 65 to be free, they are leaving the race much earlier. It is not about winning the lottery or being a CEO. It is about a boring but effective system. They use a money machine that the system does not want you to know about. Do you want to learn? Stop running until you are exhausted. Discover the secrets to exit the game right now. Watch until the very end. The most important number isn't your salary. It is your savings rate. This is the foundation of your freedom. If you can save 50% of what you earn, you could potentially retire in just 17 years. It sounds impossible, but it is simple math. Every dollar saved is a day of freedom bought for your future. It starts with small choices, choosing what matters over what is just trendy. That is how the rate grows. Most people increase their spending as they earn more. We call this lifestyle creep, and it is a trap. When your salary goes up, your lifestyle should stay the same. This gap is where your wealth is created. This gap is your fuel. The wider the gap, the faster you reach the finish line of financial independence. Discipline today means total control tomorrow. It is not about deprivation. It is about choosing your own time. Now, where do you put that saved money? You don't need to be a stock market wizard or a gambler. Index funds are the boring way to get rich. They track the whole market, letting compound interest do the work. You don't chase the next big thing. You own the entire economy. It is safe, consistent, and remarkably effective. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Time is your greatest ally in this journey to FIRE. Let's talk about big expenses. Housing is usually the biggest, but there are ways to hack it and save thousands. Have you heard of house hacking? Renting out a room or a basement can cover your entire mortgage payment. Or consider moving to a place where your money goes further. Geo-arbitrage is a powerful tool for early retirement. How do you know when you have enough? The 4% rule is the gold standard for FIRE seekers. Multiply your annual expenses by 25. That is your target number. Once you hit it, you are officially free. Imagine never having to work for a paycheck again. The 4% rule makes that dream a measurable goal. Don't just save, increase your income too. Side hustles aren't just for extra cash, they are for building skills. Negotiate your salary. Learn new skills. Every extra bit of income accelerates your journey by months or even years. The biggest shift isn't in your bank account, but in your mind. Wealth is not what you buy. Real wealth is the ability to fully experience life. It is the freedom to choose how you spend your time. Are you ready to stop running and start living? The choice to be free begins with a single step today. Follow the system, stay disciplined, and I will see you on the other side of the finish line. Freedom awaits. Every day you stick to the plan is a day closer to your ultimate independence. Eating at home isn't just about saving money. It's about investing in your long-term health and wealth. Knowledge is the most valuable asset you can accumulate. It pays the highest interest of all investments. Simple pleasures often provide the most joy. FIRE allows you to focus on what truly makes you happy. Visualizing your goal is crucial. Keep the finish line in sight when the journey feels long or difficult. Automate your investments. Let the system work for you while you are sleeping, eating, or playing. Financial peace is a mental state. Once you lose the fear of money, you find your true self. FIRE is not just for you. It's about building a community of people who value freedom over things. Every small change in transport or habits adds up. This is how ordinary people achieve extraordinary things.
The world becomes your playground when you are no longer tied to a desk for 40 hours a week.
Declutter your life and your finances. A simple life is a sustainable life on the road to FIRE.
Patience is the key. You are planting seeds today that will provide shade for your future self.
The market will fluctuate. Your resolve must not. Stay the course and ignore the noise of the world. Relationships are the true currency of life. FIRE gives you the time to nurture them deeply. Monday mornings feel different when you own your time. They become just another beautiful day for you. Gratitude reduces the urge to spend. When you realize you have enough, you are truly rich. It's not about being cheap, It's about being intentional with every single dollar you earn and spend. Your future self will thank you for the sacrifices you make today. You are building a legacy. The date is set. The math is done. Now it's just a matter of time and discipline. This is what freedom looks like. Unhurried, intentional, and full of life. You are almost there now. Teach the next generation the value of freedom. Break the cycle of debt and mindless consumption forever. Celebrate the milestones. Each one is a victory over the system that wants to keep you working. Even on rainy days, you can be at peace when your financial foundation is solid and secure. Freedom from wanting more is the highest form of wealth. Learn to love what you already have. Your life is yours again. The path is clear. The system is working. Your freedom is inevitable. Keep your internal compass pointed toward freedom. Don't let distractions pull you off your chosen path.
Remember why you started. The exhaustion of the old life is the fuel for the new one.
Every morning is a reminder of the life you are reclaiming. You are the architect of your time.
Trade entertainment for education. One leads to temporary escape. The other leads to permanent freedom and growth.
Time is the only non-renewable resource. Use it wisely. Invest it in your freedom and your happiness. Work becomes a choice, not a necessity. You do it for the love of the craft, not a check. Optimization is a beautiful thing. It's about getting the same joy for less cost and more efficiency. Your perspective changes when you aren't worried about tomorrow's bills. You see the bigger picture of life. Sustainability in life leads to sustainability in finances. A mindful approach to living is your secret weapon. You are no longer a consumer to be harvested. You are an observer, a free agent in the world. Surround yourself with people who understand your journey. Community makes the long path to fire feel much shorter. Trust the math. It has been tested and proven over decades of market history and different cycles. Money becomes a tool, not a master. You use it to build the life you want for yourself. This is the reward for all those years of discipline. A life of total freedom and peace. Congratulations, you have reached the summit. The rest of your life is now yours to create entirely. Side hustles are the accelerator. They turn years of waiting into months of progress toward your goals. Don't rely on just one source. Diversify your income like you diversify your investments for total security. Your skills are your greatest asset. Market them well and never settle for less than you are worth. I completely agree. Let's iron out the details and make this happen. Continuous learning keeps you ahead of the game. It is the fuel for your income-generating machine. Action is the only thing that produces results. Stop planning and start doing. Your freedom depends on it.
Once it starts, it's hard to stop. The momentum of your wealth becomes its own powerful force.
A calm mind makes better financial decisions. Don't let emotions drive your strategy or your spending.
True independence is being free from the need to impress others with your material possessions and things.
Nature doesn't charge for its beauty. Learn to find joy in the things that are free and abundant. Break the digital chains of consumption. Take back your attention and your money from those who want it. You have completed the shift. Your mind is now aligned with your destiny of total independence. The view from the top is better than you ever imagined. Every struggle was worth this moment of peace. Believe in yourself. The system is just a tool. You are the one who makes it work for you. Your new life begins now. There are no more races to run. Just live your life fully. I will see you out there, living your dreams. Start today. Your future is waiting for you. The time for excuses is over. The blueprint is in your hands. Take the first step right now. Leave the old world behind. Step into the bright future of financial independence and early retirement. It's a marathon, not a sprint. But every mile brings you more freedom and more life than before. The door is open. All you have to do is walk through it. Your freedom is waiting for you.